What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Update error code KB5058411. So let's get right into this. So this is an update that's basically, it doesn't install or download for your Windows device. So I'm going to show you what to do to fix this. So there's a few things that you can do. The first thing you should do is go to your search bar and just type in troubleshoot until you see this troubleshooting settings section pop up. In here, click into additional troubleshooters and then click into Windows Update. As you can see, there's literally a troubleshooter for your Windows Update. So I want to basically run this troubleshooter, let it run through the process, and essentially go from there, and it should install the update or basically kick off that process for the update. Now, if you've tried this and it doesn't work, the next thing you want to do is to go back into your search bar and type in services. In here, I want you to type in Windows Update or just Windows until you come to this section here and find where it says Windows Update and Windows Update Medic Service. Double click into it. First, if this process is not running, start the process, and if it is, you can stop it and restart it. And then second, change your startup type for whatever it is into automatic. Once you do this for both of them, restart your computer, try to update again, you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up, guys, and make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then more turtles out. Peace.